Hello everyone! Welcome back to another Airsoft video by 4D Entity. Today we're going to be using the Novritsch SSP1 gas blowback pistol, and today's gameplay is going to feature a lot of action, some team killing, and even more. Stay tuned for more of these videos. I have 4 more games coming after this one, and those will be released soon. Enjoy!
Go, go, go! Push, push, push! Hey, come on me. You're good. Hey, we got me! Hey, stop holding up. Negative. Can't see. Hey! Hold back. Don't stand, hold back. Any visual? No. Hey, I'm talking to you. I got you. Nothing? Alright. We're good. Alright, stack up here and hold here. Hey, crouch down. You're good. I'm moving that way. Hey! Jesus, dude. Hit him 10 times. Bruh. Got both of them. Watch this hole.
I got 2 right there.
2 right there? Okay. Yeah, I hear the BBs. Okay. Got one in the window. Yeah, he's down. I hope the camera caught that. This hole is dangerous. You think this is scummy?
What?
Right here?
It's in. Oh shit!
Careful.
Deep in that window right there.
Come on, guys. Come on. Okay. I'm watching. Nothing yet. There's 2 is just that. Careful. Oh, we're respawning. Alright, let's go. Run fast. Respawning fast. Okay, let's go. Hey, respawn fast. Okay, it's tap. Go. Hey, no blind firing, man. No blind firing.
You can't blind fire.
Good save, man. Thank you.
Fucking kids, man.
Dude, I don't know why. Dude, you don't blind fire anywhere in Airsoft. He's dead. You got it. You're good. Yep. Watch it. Watch that side. Yep. Watch the ricochet. I guess we could do this. Careful. Get over it. Get over that corner. Get over that corner. You're good. You're good. Anything? Got him? Okay. They're over from that side. They're over from that side. Go over there. Oh, Jesus, please. Alright, hang on. Yep.
Oh, I hurt.
Watch it. One through there. One through there. Watch him. Watch him. One coming from that side. That wall. Watch it. Okay.
Let's do it there.
See right here? There's one across that hallway. Be very. I would not go for that.
Hit over here. One take a hit.
Okay. There's one guy far across along the long hallway.
He's not.
No, he's hiding. Good shit. Yeah. Careful. We pushing? Nice. Alright, hey. Hey, let's push, push, push. Go, go, go. Woo. Hey, we're good. Hold this position.
I saw you!
Watch it. There's one in the window, one in the window. Alright, yep. There's one guy not calling his hits over here.
Hey, call your hits, damn!
Alright.
He's dead.
One bullet left.
One more.
I got one shot left. Respawn, go away fast, go fast.
Respawn. Look at hard push right.
Alright, hey, hard push right, hard push right. Everybody stack up.
Pretty sure they're right. Oh shit, they're right.
Careful, careful, careful.
Ah, pull me in.
Hey, pull up.
They're pushing us over there.
Pushing us over here. Riot shield, okay. Hold that position. Hey, hold here, hold here. We're doing a field reload. Woo! All right, that'll do. Go, 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 go. We good? Hold it. It's a nice ATA gun. Hold it. What are they shooting at? Got him. He's down. There's one guy far side. One guy far.
Window? Okay.
One guy far. Got him. Hey. Yeah, he did not call it. He did not call it. Watch it. There's one guy over here that didn't call it.